Hi everybody, Sharon McCrum again with another planting project for kids. This time we're going to be doing bean sprouting with just water, a glass jar, and paper napkins. So I got this information from another great page in this book, What Shall I Grow? It's called Roots and Shoots. So the first thing we're going to do is start out by soaking our jar with water. So obviously all I have to do is pour it back in now, and the inside will be wet, okay? Then, I should mention, the first thing you do is you take your beans and you soak them for a little while. This project called for lima beans, but I didn't have lima beans, so I'm going to see what happens with pinto beans, okay? Now, you're going to take a napkin. You could do this with a paper towel. The colorful napkins are a lot of fun though. And this one has a nice trim. It's left over from Thanksgiving and I'm feeling thankful. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to set it, make a little circle with it, set it inside my jar. The trick is you want it to stick to the inside of the jar. To help with that, you take a wooden spoon and you press it in. Okay, there is another thing you do need, I forgot to mention. You'll need a spoon because you're going to take some water and splash it along the insides to help the sticking. You want it to stick. It's got to have that water. You'll want to keep the moisture going too during the process of this because it will take a while for your sprouts to grow. One more. There we go. It's looking good. Okay. Now, you're going to carefully peel back just slightly the napkin and put your bean in there and stick it to the wall with that. You can put in 3 of these along the edges. That one's kind of low down. Let's see what he does down there. This one. Okay, good. They're nice and wet. They're pressed in. See, I've done this jar too. So I'm going to be having 2 jars to watch grow. Now that was super simple. Let's look at the pages and see what it tells us about this project too. Okay, so it's going to take about 2 to 3 weeks for these to really grow. And I imagine at some point you might want to plant them, but maybe they'll just grow completely. Bigger jars might be better than this, but I think this is a good size. And since we're doing it as an experiment as well, we're going to see what happens. And I'll keep you posted on the growth of my bean sprouts. And hopefully you get a chance to try this at home. Thanks for watching today. Have a good time with your family. I know it's hard to have to stay in, but let's try to get some really fun things done and make a difference in the world by growing something. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.